Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Helen Moynihan, your nutritional therapist and health coach. I'm based in Oxford, but I run a completely virtual clinic at the moment, focusing on women's health. I'm also a business mentor for Zest for Life, and I'm a guest lecturer at the Institute for Optimum Nutrition in Richmond. How is everyone feeling today as we enter the first full week of lockdown version 2? Are you concerned about your physical and mental health? I know from speaking to lots of you that it's really hard work working from home. There's more temptations, you might be closer to the fridge, perhaps bored of looking at the same four walls, and feeling anxious about the future of humanity. Perhaps you've put on weight in the last 9 months, or you've been less active. Have you allowed some bad habits to creep in? Perhaps wine every night rather than saving it for the weekend, more takeaways than usual to get away from the drudgery of thinking about what to cook next. It's worth considering that we all have the ability to make a significant difference to our health, both physical and mental, just by making some simple changes to our diet and our lifestyle. It can impact the way that we feel. So could this lockdown be an opportunity for you to focus on your health and well-being? The restrictions are making social life in the run-up to Christmas look fairly drab. So perhaps this could enable you to take a step back and make some new healthy habits. If there was ever a time for a healthful overhaul, then this is it. I would love you to join me as I guide you to better health. My next online plan starts on the 16th of November. This will be the 7th and final one of the year. I've been running these online groups for about 3 years, and they're such great fun. Participants come back over and over again as they enjoy them and get so much from them as well. The plan is an opportunity to establish some healthy habits and to discover just how delicious healthy eating can be. As my 14-year-old daughter says, it's nutritious and delicious. These meals are designed to help you feel lighter and brighter, to give you more energy, to sleep better, support your immune system, and of course, reset your metabolism and so much more. There is no calorie counting or strict meal plans, just delicious tried and tested recipes and daily nutrition and lifestyle tips with a lovely fun group to keep you motivated. We will have weekly Zoom sessions so that I can answer any questions that you might have, but also so that you can get to know the other people in the group that you're working with. And you'll also feel really supported by doing these sessions. You're also going to get my free ebook, which is your Healthy Christmas Guide. And I will be giving tips during the programme on how to have a healthy festive period. So when we come out of strict lockdown, you won't drift back to your old, maybe unhealthy habits. Here is some feedback from somebody who did the last 28-day plan. She said, I have managed to lose 1/2 stone and 2 inches off my waist and hips. I'm so proud that I'm making healthy food choices, eating regularly, and not eating secretly. I don't need to as I feel full. Here are some answers to some of the questions that people have been asking me over the last couple of weeks. First of all, do you need to be on Facebook? So the plan is accessed actually through an app or a web browser that's not connected in any way to Facebook, so you don't need to be on Facebook. Is it a strict plan? No, you'll have a recipe pack at the beginning with breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas. But if you fancy having lunch for breakfast or breakfast for lunch, then that's absolutely fine too. Everyone's got slightly different schedules, so the idea is that it can work for everybody. Somebody else asked, are the recipes for the whole family? Absolutely yes. So I've got 2 teenagers, quite particular about what they eat. So obviously it depends on your particular needs, but you can definitely you can just check in with me and I can help you with anything like that, and I can add extra recipes if you need something. And someone else asked, how will you measure success? So this is not just about weight loss. Lots of people in the group have got other goals, whether it's improved energy or just kind of getting their health back on track. So what we started doing at the beginning is we do body measurements if that's relevant for you, and also a health and energy questionnaire at the beginning and then at the end, so you can assess your progress. Another question was, is it for vegetarians? So I'll give you additional recipes if you're a vegetarian, and of course you can also adapt any of the recipes in the pack. There are some vegetarian recipes in the pack as well. If there's anything else that you'd like to ask me, then just message me. You can book from the link below, and I really look forward to seeing you in the group.